Washington Capitals!
Can you believe this has all happened to you?
I can't. But it just is, and it's so exciting, exhilarating. I just love it. I love it.
A dream come true.
Let's go, Caps!
While rocking the red. And just think, my friends, this young man is only 14 years old. To say the least, I think he has a bright future.
Nice go, Scott.
That gave me chills when he did that. That was fantastic.
They let him play the organ, too? They did everything but give the guy a stick and put him on the ice.
Exactly.
It's great.
Just wait. I've talked to Brendan a lot on the phone over the past year.
Yeah, I know.
He's loves the weather, too. So, yeah, you know.
Well, when he came here and visited, he did the weather.
He's
That's
going to,
great.
interesting.
So
Very
happy.
interesting.
Way to go, Brendan. That's
Very
awesome.
proud
So
of you. That's
happy.
good.
Well,
right.
interesting might be a good word for the rest of the week.
Yeah, I mean, we get 2 days tomorrow and Wednesday, not going to be very nice. Thursday, Friday, it clears out. It's okay. But tomorrow, rain, even heavier rain Wednesday, and maybe some heavy thunderstorms.
Okay.
So a lot of stuff to share. Let's get you started on a Monday afternoon. We enjoyed the sunshine around the area today. I did. It was nice. Temperatures got to be 50, 52 degrees. And then now we're starting to cool off just a little bit. I want to start off with a time lapse from Spotsylvania County. 48 degrees there right now. Kind of cloudy this morning, but then during the day, skies brightened up a bit. Got some patches of blue sky and some sunshine, and then more clouds roll in as we head closer to sunset here on a Monday afternoon. Pretty much same story around the entire region at this hour. Upper 40s to about 50 degrees, 50 at Reagan National, 49 at Andrews and Baltimore, 52 degrees in Manassas, 50 in Leesburg, and 48 degrees now in Hagerstown. Temperatures a little farther to the west, you know, they're holding about the same here. And as we look at the first batch of rain coming in, we're not overly concerned at all about any kind of ice or snow issues. Look to the south, that'll be the source region for the rain. 55 in Charlotte, 60 in Knoxville, 45 in Roanoke. So there's a little wedge of cooler air, but rain, and it'll start probably early in the morning. And that's our forecast overnight with mostly cloudy skies and light rain or showers developing before sunrise. Northeasterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Satellite and radar gives you an idea of the leading edge now. Most of it's still back through North Carolina, South Carolina, especially Georgia and Alabama. But this first low pressure area will move to the north and to the east over the next day or so, and we'll get our first batch of rain. We'll have rain at times. It's not going to be raining all day long, but there'll be periods of rain. It'll be steady at times for the morning rush through midday for the afternoon rush hour. But according to this model, about 4 tomorrow afternoon, about 24 hours from now, this most of the rain will be moving out of the area. Then we'll get a bit of a break as the next system starts to take shape. And as that takes shape, that promises to be a very intense storm, something we normally don't see in late February. We see them coming up the coast sometimes, but coming up from the Gulf Coast into the middle of the country, not something we see that often in late February. So on a local view, this is what we look like by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, cloudy skies, and then we go overnight into Wednesday, and we start to get part 2, the second system with areas of rain, and the rain will overspread the area through the morning hours and get consistently stronger with some downpours. Then by 5 o'clock Wednesday afternoon, see the very potential of some thunderstorms and very heavy downpours moving through the area. And once that gets through later at night, then we'll start to clear out. A little bit about the rainfall potential with this system, up to 1.5 inches to 2 inches, I think, pretty likely through the entire area. So as a result, some flood watches may have to be posted. As on the East Coast, parts of coastal Maryland, Delaware, and New Jersey, this model has 4 inches of rain, a possibility here with this system. So our forecast for tomorrow, we'll have periods of rain through the day in the morning, with temperatures on the chilly side, 45, but then it all changes here with storm number 2. It'll become breezy and much milder, lower 60s with a 100% chance of rain and some afternoon heavy thunderstorms a possibility. Very windy on Wednesday with clearing, colder on Friday and into the weekend, but after that, at least the storminess is gone for a while. Tuesday and especially Wednesday, big weather days, we think.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You got it. The German short-haired pointer. That was named the top dog at last week's Westminster Dog Show.
But which four-legged friends actually topped the list of favorite breed? We're going to have the answer to that coming up.
Be easy to figure out, I bet. All right, plus taking to the road in record numbers. Find out why so many of us are turning back to our cars.
And yesterday, a man and a lot of other folks parked here on Pennsylvania Avenue, and they all got tickets, but the man we talked to says they shouldn't have. Find out what the response was from D.C. government coming up.
And here's a look at what's coming up tonight on ABC. It's The Bachelor at 8, and then Castle at 10, followed by ABC 7 News at 11 o'clock.
And we're counting down to the Oscars here on ABC this Sunday night. Our colleague Kid O'Shea is heading out to Los Angeles for the big event. His live